Hey students, welcome to the Tesla Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are solving mathematics practice paper for CBSE 2023 board exam. So I have series of questions for you guys. Just download the question paper from the description box. Try to solve it on your own. If you get stuck, just watch the video solution. Let's start. So the first question we have is, if 1 0 of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x plus k is 2, then the value of k is. So the quadratic polynomial we have is x square plus 3x plus k, and the 0 of this polynomial they have given is 2. So this is the MCQ. The options we have are 10, option B is -10, C is 5, and option D is -5. So let's solve very simple question. Just substitute the value of 0 in this equation. We get like 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus k. As this is 0 of polynomial, so this should satisfy the given equation. The answer should be 0. 2 square is 4 plus 6 plus k, that comes out to be 0. 6 plus 4 plus 6 is 10 plus k equals to 0, and we get the value of k as -10. So the option here is option B. Okay, so for the second question, we have this figure. Uh, the given data is angle APB equals to 50 degree. That is this angle. And they are asking us angle OAB. We are supposed to find out this angle. The options we have are 25 degree, option B 30 degree, option C 40 degree, and option D 50 degree. So इसमें से कौन सा हो सकता है? Just pause the video, try to solve it. If you get stuck, then watch the solution. So the method which we will be using is just find out, consider this quadrilateral APBO. In this quadrilateral, we know that the angle formed by the radius and the tangent is always 90 degree. So angle OAP as well as angle OBP is 90, right? Just add all the angles, that is 90 plus 50 plus this one, angle AOB, that is supposed to be 360 degrees. So we get this as 230 plus angle AOB equals to 360. We get angle AOB as 130 degree, right? So now in this triangle AOB, we have angle AOB as 130, right? And these two angles are equal, that is angle OAB and angle OBA. These two angles are equal as the given triangle is isosceles triangle. So as these two angles are equal, we can assume it as x. So we have 130 plus x equals to 180, as sum of interior angles of triangle is always 180 degree. So we have 130 plus 2x equals to 180. 2x equals to 130 goes to that side. 180 minus 130 is 50. So x we get is 25. That means the angle OAB is 25 degree, option A. That's your answer. Let's go for the next question. Okay, so for the third question we have, if P, 2P minus 1, 2P plus 1 are three consecutive terms of an AP, then the value of P is. So the given terms are P, 2P minus 1 and 2P plus 1. So these are the terms of AP. हमें पता है कि अगर कोई सीक्वेंस AP होना चाहिए, so its common difference should be equal, right? तो common difference equal होना चाहिए for any two consecutive terms. तो अगर हम इन दोनों terms को अगर consider करते हैं, तो that is we know that D equals to A2 minus A1, right? So if this is our A1, this is our A2, this is our A3, so the difference comes out to be A2, that is 2P minus 1 minus P. So that comes out to be 2P minus 1 minus 2P minus P is P minus 1. right? And another equation we get is, again, if we consider D as A3 minus A2, right? These are two consecutive terms. So it comes out to be 2p plus 1 minus 2p plus 1, right? Equals to, this is 2p, 2p will get cancelled, and we get 1 plus 1 is 2. So the D is actually 2. Common difference is 2. We will just equate both the values of D. That is p minus 1 equals to 2. So we get p equals to 2 plus 1. That is p equals to 3. The options we have are, option A is 3. Yeah, so the option A is right answer, but option B is 4, option C is 5, and option D is 6. So we already solved and we got option A as the right answer. So let's go for the next question. So now let's go for the fourth question. The fourth question is from the coordinate geometry chapter. The given points are 0, 4, 0, 0, and 3, 0. The options we have for this question are, option A is 10 units, option B 14, option C 15 units, and option D 12 units. So I will just explain you the concept. You all let me know the answer in the comment sections. Okay. So the perimeter of the triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0. So let's draw the figure for this question. If I am considering this triangle ABC, let this point be 0, 4, let this be 0, 0, and let this be 3, 0. So what is perimeter of triangle? Perimeter is nothing but sum of all sides. So we just need to find out the distance of each side by using the distance formula. The distance formula we know is under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is the distance formula. Just substitute the values of x1, x2 and y1, y2. Just calculate. Then you will get perimeter as, perimeter is nothing but sum of all sides, right? So AB plus BC plus AC. So you need to find distance AB, you need to find distance BC, you need to find distance AC. Just add all the three values, you will get the option. Let me know in the comment section. Let's go for the next question. The next question is from trigonometry. So the next question is from trigonometry. If cot A equals to, cot A plus 1 upon cot A equals to 2, then we need to find the value of cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A. The options we have are, option A is 2, option D is 4, option C is 1, and option D is 5. So how will you solve this question? देखो यहाँ पे हमें पता चल रहा है कि इट इज स्क्वायरिंग का प्रॉपर्टी हमने यहाँ पे यूज किया, राइट? सो वी नीड टू यूज द स्क्वायर आइडेंटिटी, दैट इज a plus b whole square equals to, the identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So just substitute value of a as cot a, value of b as 1 upon cot a, and then solve. So we get it as cot a plus 1 upon cot a whole square. That comes out to be cot square a plus 2 into cot a into 1 upon cot a plus 1 upon cot square a, right? So what is the value of cot a plus 1 upon cot a? That is nothing but 2. So 2 का यहाँ पे हो जाएगा स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ पे cot a और cot a उसका एंटी ये लेके आप कैंसिल कर दोगे. cot square a plus 1 upon cot square a, वही हमें वैल्यू चाहिए. सो आई विल क्लब इट टुगेदर. प्लस यहाँ पे कैंसिल होने के बाद आंसर विल बी 2, सॉरी द रिमेनिंग विल बी 2. यहाँ पे अब व्हाट इज 2 स्क्वायर? 4. This 2 will come to this side, minus 2 equals to cot square a plus 1 upon cot square a. So that gives us the value as 2. So option A is the right answer. Let's go for the next question. Next question is from the chapter surface area volume. The question is total surface area of hemisphere of radius. Very simple question. That's just a formula. Radius उन्होंने हमें दिया है r. Okay, and they are asking us the TSA of hemisphere. So the options we have are 3 pi r square. Option B 5 pi r square. Option C 2 pi r square. And option D 4 pi r square. सो अगर आपको फॉर्मूला पता भी नहीं है तो आप जस्ट यू कैन डिराइव द फॉर्मूला. देखो हेमिस्फीयर आपको पता है कि ऐसे होता है, राइट, समवॉट लाइक दिस. तो अगर ये हेमिस्फीयर है तो वी नो द CSA ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर. द CSA ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर इज 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर, राइट. और ये जो नीचे का पोर्शन होता है हेमिस्फीयर का, दैट इज नथिंग बट सर्कल. एंड व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ सर्कल? एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज नथिंग बट पाई आर स्क्वायर. We need to find total surface area, right? So total surface area निकालने के लिए total surface area का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? CSA प्लस ये नीचे का एरिया, so that is pi r square. CSA is nothing but 2 pi r square plus pi r square. That comes out to be 3 pi r square. Option A is the right answer. Let's go for the next question. Using so the next question is using prime factorization method, the HCF and LCM of HCF and LCM of 210 and 175. Very simple question. So I hope आप ये कर लोगे. This is very simple question. HCF और LCM ही निकालना है. तो 210 and 175 इन दोनों नंबर्स का HCF and LCM निकालना है. The options you have are option A is 35, 1000. Option B is 34, 1050. Option C is 35, 1050. Option D is 35, 1010. So this is a very simple question. Just try it on your own and let me know the answer in comment section. Let's head to the next question. Next question, that is the 8th question we have, is from the probability chapter. One card is drawn at random from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. What is the probability to get a face card? Okay, so we have 52 cards, that is the n of s, that is the sample points are 52, right? And the probability to get a face card, what is a face card? Face cards are nothing but the king, jack and the queen. So एक set में there are 3 face cards. So in the whole deck there will be 3 into 4, that is 12 face cards. So the probability for getting a face cards is nothing but, we know that, we will assume just event A of getting a face card. So probability of that event A will be n of A upon n of s. That is, what is n of A? N of A is nothing but 12, क्योंकि हमारे पूरे deck में 12 face cards हैं. So 12 upon 52, just solve it. The options we have, okay, the options we have are 1 upon 13. Option B is 3 upon 13. Option C is 2 upon 13 and option D is 4 upon 13. Okay, so I guess इसको solve करो, you will get it as 6, this is 226, 3 and 13. So option 3 upon 13, that is option B, is the right answer. Probability का question था, बहुत easy था. Let's go for the next question. Ninth question. The solution of pair of equations. अब हमें linear equations in two variable का question है. 2x plus 3y. The equations are 2x plus 3y equals to 9, 3x plus 4y equals to 5. So these are the two equations which they have provided us. We need to solve these equations. We have different ways to solve linear equations in two variable. One of them is the simultaneous method or the elimination method. You are free to use any method. आप कोई भी method ले सकते हो, उसमें कोई problem नहीं होता. The options we have are 21 comma minus 17. Option B, it is 20 comma 14. Option C is minus 21 comma 17 and option D is 20 comma 3. So how will you solve this question? You can use the elimination method. Elimination method में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Just multiply the coefficients of x with each other, right? So 2x plus 3y equals to 9. इस पूरे इक्वेशन को मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा इस x के कोएफिशिएंट से, that is by 3, right? So we get it as 6x plus 9y equals to 27. Let this be my first equation. Multiply this equation by 2. So that comes out to be 6x plus 8y equals to 10. Right? This is my second equation. Let's solve. Subtract करो दोनों को. What you will get is minus, minus and minus. The signs will get changed. यहाँ पे ये cancel हो जाएगा. 9y minus 8y is just y equals to 27 minus 10 is 17. So y जो मिला हमें that was 17. अब यहाँ पे कहाँ है y 17? y यहाँ पे 17 है, यहाँ पे minus 17 है. So just cancel the options. यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा 17. So option C is the right answer. But अगर आपको solve करना है, you can also solve ahead. You can substitute the value of y in any of the equation. कोई भी आप एक इक्वेशन में डाल सकते हैं, you will get the answer. बट इतना करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हमारे पास टाइम जो है वो लिमिटेड है, तो इसलिए जस्ट कैंसिल आउट द ऑप्शंस एंड गो अहेड. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे कोई दूसरे ऑप्शन में, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव 17 होता तो हम इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करके x का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं एंड देन वी विल चूज द ऑप्शन फॉर श्योर. बट क्योंकि यहाँ पे माइनस 17 है और सिर्फ यहाँ पे 17 है, वी विल गो बाय दिस ऑप्शन. ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So the next question is the 10th question. What is the midpoint of the line segment AB where A minus 5 comma 0 and B is 0 comma 5? So the given points are A is minus 5 comma 0 and B point is 0 comma 5. So these are the 2 points and we need to find the midpoint of this. So we know the midpoint formula. By midpoint formula, first of all, the options are minus 5 upon 2 comma 5 upon 2. Option B 3 comma 5. Option C 5 upon 2 comma 3 upon 2. And option D is 2 comma 4. These are the options. और हमारे पास ये 2 points हैं. By using midpoint formula, we know that what is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 whole divided by 2, y1 plus y2 होल डिवाइडेड बाय 2। ये होते हैं हमारे मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला। सो जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज ऑफ x1 एंड x2। क्या होगा यहाँ पे, -5 प्लस 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 and 0 plus 5 divided by 2. So that comes out to be -5 by 2 comma 5 by 2. So option A. So this is your answer. This question was from I guess the coordinate geometry chapter, right? Let's go for the next one. So the next question, the 10th term of the AP, very simple question. We need to find the 10th term. The given AP is 2, 7, 12. So this is the given AP and we need to find the 10th term. So as this is MCQ, आपको बहुत short में solve करना पड़ेगा. So the value of A is 2. Just find out the D, that is 7 minus 2 is 5. Substitute T10 आपको find out करना है या फिर A10 आपको find out करना है. The formula is, just for your sake, I am writing the formula. AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. ये फॉर्मूला है, राइट? फॉर्मूलाज बहुत अच्छे से करके रखना, एग्जाम में बहुत काम आएगा. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ A इज 2 प्लस N का वैल्यू है 10, 10 minus 1 is 9 and the value of D is 5. So यहाँ पे आएगा 2 plus 9 into 5 is 45, 45 plus 2 is 47. So options are, option A is again 47, option B 36, option C is 45 and option D is 30. So option A is the right answer. Next question. Okay, so let's go for the next question. That is the 12th question. The value of k, if the given system of equations 5x plus ky equals to -7. Let's note down the equation. 5x plus ky equals to -7 and x plus 2y equals to 3 is inconsistent. यहाँ पे दिया है कि ये जो दो इक्वेशंस है, these are inconsistent equations. So we know the condition for inconsistent equations, that is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2, right? So value of a1, यहाँ से a1 a2 के वैल्यूज निकाल लो. a1 का वैल्यू है 5, b1 का वैल्यू है k, c1 का वैल्यू है -7. वैल्यू ऑफ a2 इज 1, b2 का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 2, c2 का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 3. ऑप्शंस देखो, ऑप्शंस वी हैव आर 10, b is 20, c is 15 and d is 7. वेरी सिंपल. बस आपको ये a1 b1 के वैल्यूज यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करने, a1 a2 के वैल्यूज और b1 b2 के वैल्यूज. सो यहाँ पे अगर सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं तो वो हो जाएगा 5 upon 1 equals to k upon 2. That should not be equal to -7 upon 3. So just cross multiply. If we consider this equation, बस cross multiply कर दो, क्या मिलेगा? k equals to 5 into 2, that is 10. कौन सा ऑप्शन आएगा इसमें से? ऑप्शन A is again the right answer. So let's go for the next question, that is the 13th question. The question is from areas related to the circle. They have provided us radius that is 2 meter. The area of that particular circle is pi meter square and we need to find the central angle. Central angle is nothing but the theta, right? What is the formula? Formula is nothing but area of that particular circle is nothing but, or the sector, area of that sector is central angle, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square, right? So just substitute the value. We have value of area as pi equals to theta, we need to find theta upon 360 into pi r square. What is value of r? It is 2. So pi into 2 का हो जाएगा यहाँ पे square. So theta upon 360 into pi into 4 और यहाँ पे भी बचेगा pi. So यहाँ से pi और pi कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 4 ones are 4, 4 90s are 360. Shift this 90 to this side, we get theta as 90 degrees. So the answer is 90-degree. Option A again. Let's go for the next question. The next question, the next question is from polynomials again. If the product of the zeros of the polynomial ax square minus 6x minus 12 is 4, then the value of a is. The given polynomial is ax square minus 6x minus 12. इनका जो प्रोडक्ट है, the product is 4. Okay, so we know that sum of the zeros, sum of the roots of polynomial as well as product of polynomials, that is nothing but alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, right? So what is alpha plus beta? That is minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is c upon a, right? So यहाँ से आप a b c के values निकाल सकते हैं. Just don't get confused. ये जो a है, that is not this a, or I will just replace it as capital B's, A's and C. बस confuse मत हो जाना. So alpha plus beta is minus b upon a and alpha into beta is c upon. So हमारे यहाँ पे b का वैल्यू बन जाएगा, so value of a is actually a, value of b is minus 6 and value of c is minus 12. So we have product. The product is c upon a and the given product is 4 equals to c, that is minus 12 upon small a, right? So just substitute, just shift the value of a, that is a equals to minus 12 upon 4. After solving we get minus 3 as the answer. So value of small a is minus 3, option D. Let's go for the next question.
The question equals the question number one add.
So moving on to the next question, 15th. The question is actually very lengthy. I will just read it and explain it to you. In the given figure, point P is 26 centimeter away from the center O of a circle, and the length PT and the tangent drawn from the point P to the circle is 24 centimeter. Then the radius of the circle is very simple question. Actually, they have provided the diagram. कुछ ऐसा डायग्राम है, and we need to find the radius of circle. We know that the first of all, if we just draw the radius, OT is the radius, right? So the options for this question are 13 centimeter, option B is 10 centimeter, option C is 15 centimeter, and option D are 12 centimeter. Option D is 12 centimeter. So यहाँ पे देखो, we know that the angle made by the radius of circle with the tangent is always 90 degree, right? So यहाँ पे ये बन जाएगा 90 degree. So this triangle TPO is nothing but right angle triangle. We have OP as the hypotenuse, PT is the tangent, and OT is the radius. So they have provided the values. The value of PT is 26. Sorry, value of OP is 26 and TP is 24. This is 24, this is 26. We need to find this one. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find 26 square equals to OT square plus 24 square. So the value of 26 square is 676 equals to OT square plus the value of 24 square is 576. So just shift this value, solve, you will get OT square as 576, sorry, 676 minus 576, that comes out to be 100, and OT, we need OT, right? So just taking square root on both sides, we get square root of 100 as 10 centimeter. Option B is the right answer. Moving on to the next question. So moving on to the next question, we have 16th question. If an event cannot occur, then its probability is. Very simple question. ये तो लिखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. So option C is the right answer. अगर कोई event हो ही नहीं रहा है तो उसका probability होना चाहिए 0. So next question, that is question 17. If the altitude of sun is 60 degree, the height of a tower which casts shadow of length 90 meter is. We need to find the height of a tower और altitude जो है sun का, that is 60. Altitude, यहाँ पे altitude का meaning होगा the angle of elevation. So if we draw the figure for this question, वो कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा. This is the tower. Let's consider this as the tower. ये उसका shadow बन जाएगा, right? और अगर हम यहाँ से देखें तो this will be the angle of elevation, right? So the angle of elevation उन्होंने हमें दिया है, it is 60 degree and the length of the shadow is 90 meters, right? We need to find this. Let's name the triangle A, B, C, right? If BC is 90, this is 60, what will be the value of this? So ये है heights और distances का question है, that is applications of trigonometry, उसका question है. ऐसा रेशियो हमें चूज करना पड़ेगा कि जहां पे एडजेसेंट थीटा का एडजेसेंट साइड भी होगा और अपोजिट साइड भी होगा. तो इस केस में वी विल चूज tan 60. आर थीटा इज 60, सो वी विल चूज tan 60 एज द रेशियो और वो हमें मिलेगा AB. वी नो दैट tan रेशियो इज ऑलवेज अपोजिट साइड ऑफ द थीटा अपॉन द एडजेसेंट साइड ऑफ द थीटा. सो यहां पे मिलेगा tan 60 इक्वल्स टू AB अपॉन BC, right? AB upon BC. So that gives us what is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 equals to AB upon BC. The value of BC is 90. So just solve. You will get value of AB, that is height of the tower, as 90 root 3 meter. That's it. Option, कौन सा option होगा? Option B is the right answer. Okay. Let's go for the next question. So I guess this is the last MCQ. If sine alpha equals to 1 upon root 2 and tan beta equals to 1, then the value of cos alpha plus beta is what? Okay. The options we have are option A is 3, option B is 1, option C is 2 and option D is 0. देखो हमें दिया क्या है, साइन अल्फा का वैल्यू उन्होंने दिया है 1 अपॉन रूट 2 और tan बीटा का जो वैल्यू है tan बीटा that is 1 and they are asking the value of cos alpha plus beta. Very simple. See here, साइन अल्फा जो है ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. वी नो दैट व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन रेशियो फॉर 1/2. 1/√2, sorry. So sin alpha equals to sin 45 degrees. I can replace this 1/√2 by sin 45, right? Same here, tan beta जो होगा that will be nothing but tan 45. मैंने इस 1 को tan 45 से रिप्लेस किया because I know value of tan 45 is 1. So now just अगर हम देखेंगे तो अल्फा का वैल्यू हमें मिलेगा 45 as well as बीटा का वैल्यू हमें मिलेगा 45, right? So value of alpha is 45, beta is also 45. Just substitute the values of alpha and beta in this bracket. So cos 45 plus cos 45, that comes out to be cos 45 plus 45 is 90. Cos 90 का वैल्यू क्या होता है? Cos 90 का वैल्यू होता है 0. Option D is the right answer. So now we are done with the MCQs. Now let's move on to the next section, that is the assertion reason section. So the 19th question is the assertion reason question. The question is, they have given us the assertion. Assertion is, in the given figure, if angle AOB equals to 125 degree, then COD is equal to 55. I will draw the figure. It is something like this. The quadrilateral is circumscribing, right? अब जितना उन्होंने दिया है उतना अच्छा नहीं आया फिगर, बट स्टिल this is 125 degree. They have given angle A, B, this is O, this is D, and this is C. So the assertion is, in the given figure, that is this figure, AOB is 125. Angle AOB जो है, that is 125. Then angle COD, that is COD, ये वाला एंगल जो होता है, that is 55 degree. Okay, so we all know what are the options for assertion reason. Both A and R are true, and R is correct explanation for A, then R is both are true, R is not correct explanation. A is false, R is true, R is true, A is true, R is false, right? So we all know that options, those options. But यहाँ पे कौन सा ऑप्शन आएगा? So आपको पता होना चाहिए. Okay, this is just for knowledge purpose कि whenever there is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle, yes, the assertion they have given is true, and the reason, the opposite sides of quadrilateral circumscribing a subtend supplementary angle of the center, at the center of circle. Yes, that is true. ये जो है opposite angle sides of this quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtends, yes, supplementary angles. Now see, AB and DC, these are opposite sides. These sides subtend supplementary angles at the center of circle. This is center of circle, right? So if we add the 125 plus, they are saying COD is 55. So yes, that comes out to be 180. Yes, that is true. So as 125 plus 55 is 180, the AB and DC are opposite sides. So yes, opposite sides circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angle at the center of circle. So the option here is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation for A. Okay. So let's go to the next question, that is the 20th question. If the number of runs scored by 11 players of a cricket team are 5, 19, 42, 11, 50, 30, 21, 0, 52, then median is 21. Okay, and the reason is median n plus 1 upon 2 value of if n is odd. Okay, so first of all, the given data is 5, 19, 42, 11, 50, 30, 21, 0, 52. ओके, अब इसे हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी नीड टू रीअरेंज दिस डेटा. कोई तो एक सीक्वेंस में ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो वी विल राइट दिस इन असेंडिंग फॉर्म. तो असेंडिंग फॉर्म इसका हो जाएगा 0, देन 5, देन 11, उसके बाद आएगा कौन सा आएगा? 19, देन 21, देन 30, 30 के बाद आएगा 42, 42 के बाद 50, एंड 50 के बाद आएगा 52, राइट? सो नाउ आपने ये जो ट्रिक है टू फाइंड द मीडियन ऑफ दिस डेटा, यू हैव लर्न दिस इन 7th स्टैंडर्ड. कैसे करते हैं हम? वी जस्ट काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, राइट? एंड वी नीड टू चूज द मिडिल एलिमेंट. सो यहाँ से 4 अगर छोड़ देते हैं तो बीच में कौन बचता है? बीच में बचता है ये नंबर, राइट? सो दिस इज द मीडियन ऑफ आवर डेटा, राइट? और उन्होंने रीजन में देखिए क्या दिया है, median is n plus 1 upon 2, value of n is odd, right? Value of n is nothing but number of terms, right? So the number of terms here is 9, so 9 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 10 divided by 2. Let's check, is 21 our fifth term आता है यहाँ पे? So let's check, is 21 our fifth term? 1 2 3 4 5, yes, 21 is our fifth term. So and even in assertion they have given that the median is 21. So yes, so median is 21, assertion is true, the reason is also true. So option A is the correct answer again. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Yes, so that's all. We have completed the assertion reason section. Now let's go to the 2 mark section, that is the section B. Now सेक्शन बी को हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. सेक्शन बी में सारे क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं वो 2 मार्क के होते हैं, आपको पता है, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज एक्चुअली द क्वेश्चन 21st question. Determine AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Okay, so we need to find the AP जिसका third term, that is A3 जो है वो आपको दिया है 5, and seventh term जो है that is A7, that is 9. Okay, very simple question. आपको फिर से फॉर्मूला पता है ना? सी है, यहाँ से आगे जितने भी क्वेश्चन है वो आपको डिटेल में लिखना है. ऑलवेज मेंशन द फॉर्मूलाज, ऑलवेज शो द कैलकुलेशंस. जो एमसीक्यूज थे, असर्शन रीजन थे, वहां पे आप शॉर्ट में सॉल्व करके आंसर टिक करते थे, बट यहाँ पे अभी आपको स्टेप्स के मार्क्स होंगे, आपके कैलकुलेशंस देखे जाएंगे, आपके आंसर्स वेरीफाई किए जाएंगे, तो इसलिए आपको ठीक से सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. सो A3 equals to 5. Now we know the formula for this is nothing but an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? We have this formula. A3 is nothing but n का value is 3, यहाँ पे n का value है 7, right? So for this A3 equals to a plus 3 minus 1 into d, that gives us 5 equals to a plus 2d, right? Let this be my first equation. Similarly यहाँ पे क्या होगा, A7 के लिए A7 equals to a plus 9 minus 1 into d, that gives us 9 equals to a plus 8d. Let this be my second equation. Now अगर आप ठीक से देखोगे यहाँ पे, सॉरी, फ्रॉम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन एंड फ्रॉम सेकेंड इक्वेशन, यहाँ पे हमें मिलते हैं लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन 2 वेरिएबल्स, राइट? सो जस्ट सॉल्व दिस 2 वेरिएबल्स. क्या मिलेगा हमें यहाँ पे? a plus 2d equals to 5 and a plus 8d equals to 9, right? आफ्टर सॉल्विंग बोथ द इक्वेशन सब्ट्रैक्ट करो इनको, तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा -6d इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा -4, करेक्ट? सो -4 माइनस माइनस साइन विल गेट कैंसल. d इक्वल्स टू हमें मिलेगा 4/6, दैट इज d इक्वल्स टू 2/3, राइट? इज इट करेक्ट? 9 इक्वल्स टू a plus 8d, या दैट इज करेक्ट. सो ऐसा आएगा. सो d इक्वल्स टू हमें मिला 2/3, और हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? वी नीड टू फाइंड द AP, राइट? So after getting the d, just substitute the value of d in this equation. So यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा 5 equals to a plus 2 into d, that is 2/3. Okay, so 5 equals to हमें क्या मिलेगा? a plus 4/3. Shift it here. So a मिलेगा हमें 5 minus 4/3. After solving आप क्या करोगे? You will get the value of a, right? आपको यहाँ पे a का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. कितना आएगा a? 3, 5, 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. So 11/3 will be the value of a. Now just go on adding d. Okay, so ये मिल गया हमें फर्स्ट टर्म. a is the first term of our AP, right? So second term निकालना होगा, तो हम क्या करेंगे? a2 equals to what? a plus d. तो वो क्या मिलेगा? a is 11/3 plus 2/3, right? So that comes out to be 13/3. सो वैसे ही आप A3 A4 निकालोगे, 4 टर्म्स तक निकालो तो भी बहुत है, एंड देन जस्ट शो डॉट डॉट डॉट. ओके, सो दैट विल बी आवर AP. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, let's go to the next question. So the next question, question number 22. A cow is tied with a rope of length 14 meter at the corner of a rectangular field of dimensions 20 by 16 meter. Find the area of the field that a cow can graze. Very simple question actually. So एक रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड है जहां के एक कॉर्नर पे एक गाय को बांधा है, राइट, और द रोप is the length of rope is nothing but just 14 मीटर, राइट. तो जितना उसका रोप होगा उसी एरिया में वो घूम सकती है, राइट. अगर उसको यहां पे बांधा है तो फिर वो यहां से लेके सिर्फ यहां तक ही, इतना ही पोर्शन घूम सकती है, राइट. सो लेट्स अज्यूम दैट दिस मच पोर्शन इज 14 मीटर, दैट इज द रेडियस, राइट. नाउ उन्होंने हमें दिया है द लेंथ ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल इज 20 मीटर एंड द ब्रेथ इज 16 मीटर, विच इज ऑफ नो यूज. ये बस हमें कंफ्यूजन के लिए दिया है 20 और 16, इसका कोई यूज नहीं हमारे लिए. रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड अगर है तो उसका ऑब्वियसली द सेंट्रल एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. रेडियस जिस सर्कुलर पोर्शन में काउ ग्रेस करेगी, राइट, मतलब ऑब्वियसली दिस मच, दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट, दिस इज सेक्टर, राइट. ये सेक्टर है तो इसका एरिया हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर निकालने के लिए वी नीड सेंट्रल एंगल एंड द रेडियस, और हमारे पास वो है. सो जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू. सो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर equals to, we know the formula, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So just substitute the value. The theta का value है 90 upon 360 into pi, that is उन्होंने mention तो नहीं किया है, so we will be assuming 22/7 into r square. R is nothing but 14, so 14 into 14. So this gives us 90 ones are 90, 94s are 360, then 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, right. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, next is 2 ones are 2 again, and 2 sevens are 14, correct. So after solving 22 into 7, we get 22 into 7 as 154 meter square, right. So the area in which the cow can graze is simply 154 meter square. ये जो फिर से एक बार समझ लो कि ये जो डायमेंशंस है 16 और 20, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर योर कंफ्यूजन, यहाँ पे इसका कोई यूज नहीं है. ओके, नाउ सो दिस वाज द 22nd क्वेश्चन. नाउ लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, so let's go to the next question, that is question number 23. If tan A equals to, they have given 7/24. Tan A equals to 7/24, and we need to find the value of sin A into cos A, right. So the question is, if tan A equals to 7/24, find the value of sin A into cos A. सो यहां पे हम क्या करेंगे, सी वी विल अज्यूम एक ट्रायंगल कंसिडर करते हैं. A, B and C. So if this is tan A, right, so we have the angle A here, right, and यहां से हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, tan A is nothing but opposite upon adjacent. So opposite side of angle A is this. So 7, I will assume it as K. K is any constant, right? And adjacent is nothing but AB. So it is nothing but 24K. K is again any constant. So we got AB as 24K and BC as 7K, right? So by Pythagoras theorem, if we apply Pythagoras theorem, we will get AC as, these are Pythagorean triplets, so we get AC as 25k, right? So we need to find sine A and cos A. What is sine A? Sine A is nothing but opposite ratio of opposite side upon the hypotenuse, right? So opposite side is nothing but 7k and the hypotenuse is nothing but 25k. So the k and k will get cancelled as uh, it is constant. So we got sine A as 7 upon 25. Similarly, we can find cos A. Cos A is nothing but the ratio of adjacent side upon the hypotenuse. So adjacent is nothing but 24k upon 25. K and k will get cancelled. Cos A equals to 24 upon 25. Okay, we need to find product of these two. So therefore sine A into cos A is nothing but 7 upon 25 into 24 upon 25. So we get 7 into 24 is around 168 and 25 into 25 is 625. So we got sine A into cos A is nothing but 168 upon 625. So just present your paper neatly. इसके बाद इसको आंसर को बॉक्स वगैरह करना वो सब आप प्रेजेंटेशन वगैरह देख लेना. ओके, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इसी क्वेश्चन का और है. ओके, so and it is a proof that question. The question is sine square a plus sine square a into tan square a equals to tan square a. Okay, so the question is sine square a plus sine square a into tan square a equals to tan square a. We need to prove this. So this is our LHS, this is our RHS. Obviously we need to prove LHS equals to RHS. What we can do is just take sin square कॉमन फ्रॉम LHS. अगर हम यहां से sin square a को कॉमन लेते हैं तो यहां पे कौन बचेगा 1 प्लस tan square a. 1 plus tan square a. Okay, I am not going to the RHS right now. So sin square a we get 1 plus tan square a. By using the identity we know that 1 plus tan square a is nothing but sec square a. डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट द एंगल, बिकॉज जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज होते हैं वो एंगल पे ही डिपेंड करता है. अगर आप सिर्फ tan स्क्वायर लिखोगे तो वो गलत हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे कंपलसरी आपको जो भी एंगल उन्होंने मेंशन किया है वो लिखना कंपलसरी है, वेदर इट इज ए, थीटा, अल्फा, बीटा, व्हाटएवर. ओके, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट दोज एंगल्स. So we know that 1 plus tan square a equals to sec square a. This is the identity, right? So just substitute this identity here. We get sin square a into sec square a, or we know that since sec a is nothing but what 1 upon cos a, right? Sec a is nothing but 1 upon cos a. This is also the formula actually. So just substitute this here. We get sin square a into 1 upon cos square a, and again sin square a into 1 upon cos square is nothing but sin square a upon cos square a, that is nothing but tan square a, and that's our RHS actually. Therefore LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. Okay, so that's how you solve the proof that question. Just don't forget to mention the identities and necessary formulas and present it properly. Okay, let's go to the next question. So the next question is question number 24. A path width 7 meter runs around outside a circular park whose radius is 18 meter. Find the area of the path. Okay, so there is one park. Uh, the radius of the park is 18 meter. Okay, this is the center. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक इसका है 18 मीटर. Okay, and there is one path around the park जो कि है 7 मीटर वाइड है. सो यहाँ से लेके from this point to this point it is 7 meter. So actually we get two circles, one is inner circle and one is the outer circle. इनर सर्कल का जो रेडियस है इट इज 18 मीटर. आउटर सर्कल का जो रेडियस होगा, आई विल जस्ट राइट इनर सर्कल इनर रेडियस इक्वल्स टू 18 मीटर, आउटर रेडियस equals to 18 plus 7. 18 plus 7 is nothing but 25 meter is the outer radius. Okay, now we need to find area of the path. We need to find area of the path. मतलब ये वाला जो ये है वो हमें निकालना पड़ेगा. So how will we find this? We need to just subtract the areas. पहले हमें outer circle का area निकालना पड़ेगा. Then we need to find the area of inner circle and then we need to subtract. So area of outer circle. We know that इसको हम मानते हैं कैपिटल R, इसे हम मानते हैं स्मॉल r. Okay, so area of outer circle is nothing but pi capital R square. That gives us pi. Don't substitute the value of pi. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा pi capital R, that is 25 का square, so that is 625 pi. उसके बाद area of inner circle, that is pi small r square, that is pi into 18 का square, that is right 18 square, so 324 pi, right? So ये हमें मिलेगा एरिया ऑफ इनर सर्कल एंड एरिया ऑफ आउटर सर्कल. अब मैंने यहाँ पे पाई का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं किया है क्योंकि जब हम इसमें सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे तब पाई कॉमन आ जाएगा. ओके, सो देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ पाथ इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ आउटर सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ इनर सर्कल. ओके, just substitute the values. 625 pi minus 324 pi equals to pi gets common, 625 minus 324. Now just take the subtraction, multiply it with the pi, you will get the answer. Okay, I hope that much solution is okay. This much solution is okay. Let's go to the next question. डोंट फॉरगेट, यहाँ पे मैंने सॉल्व नहीं किया है, आपको ये आगे सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो आप अगर ऐसे ही आंसर अगर पेपर में छोड़ के आ जाओगे तो आपको मार्क्स पूरे नहीं मिलेंगे. यू नीड टू सॉल्व दिस, ओके, एंड मेंशन द आंसर. The next question is question number 25. In the figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Show that. We need to show that this is the given figure. Okay, what they have given is in the figure altitudes AD, this is altitude AD, okay, then and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. Then we need to show that, first question is we need to show that triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Okay, so we need to show that triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Okay, तो कैसे करोगे? देखो, जो ट्राइंगल्स पहले बोले उन ट्राइंगल्स को कंसिडर कर लो. इन ट्राइंगल ABD and ट्राइंगल CBE, देखो कहां पे ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स, ट्राइंगल ABD इज हियर, ABD यानी ये बड़ा वाला, राइट, एंड CBE, CB एंड E। तो अगर आप ठीक से देखोगे तो CBE इज दिस ट्राइंगल, ऐसा वाला है, राइट, और ABD इज नथिंग बट ऐसा वाला है, ABD, D के यहाँ पे है 90, यहाँ पे है E, C एंड B। इफ यू लुक क्लियरली, B इज द कॉमन एंगल, राइट, एंगल B जो है वो दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में कॉमन है, और एक एंगल जो है दोनों का वो 90 डिग्री है। तो व्हाट वी कैन राइट इज एंगल ABD इक्वल्स टू एंगल CBE, दैट इज कॉमन एंगल, और उसके बाद एंगल ADB, एंगल ADB इक्वल्स टू एंगल CEB इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री ईच, दोनों भी 90 डिग्री है। तो अगर दो एंगल्स ट्राइंगल के सेम है तो वी कैन से दैट देयरफॉर ट्राइंगल ABD इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल CBE by which test, by AA test of, or AA criteria for similarity. Okay, so the next question, the question B from this was question A, let's go to the question B। इसी का क्वेश्चन है, ट्राइंगल PDC इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल BEC। So where is triangle PDC? The triangle PDC and triangle BEC। तो अगर आप ठीक से देखोगे तो अगेन एंगल C जो है वो सेम आएगा, राइट, दिस एंगल C इज द कॉमन एंगल, और एंगल D जो है एंगल PDC, एंगल C इक्वल्स टू एंगल C, दैट इज कॉमन एंगल, और एंगल PDC जो है एंगल PDC इक्वल्स टू एंगल कौन सा था, BEC, एंगल BEC, that is 90 degree each, BEC is also 90, PDC is also 90। so again both the triangles are similar by AA test of similarity। okay, very simple question। ये आपको पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा, write the names of all the angles, I am just giving you the short solution just for the sake of understanding। okay, आपको पेपर में पूरा डिटेल में सोल्यूशन अच्छे से लिखना पड़ेगा। लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 25th। ओ, इसमें एक और क्वेश्चन है, लेट्स सॉल्व दैट और वाला क्वेश्चन। They have provided us the figure। So the question is, in figure DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE। so just write down the given data, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE, I guess, yeah, AE। we need to prove that BF upon FE equals to BE upon EC। हमें ये प्रूव करना है, राइट। सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज BF upon FE, कहां पे है BF upon FE? द BF upon FE, BF और FE यहां पे है, एंड BE एंड EC, BE और EC। सो वी नीड टू चूज टू ट्राइंगल्स, दो ट्राइंगल्स हमें कंसिडर करने पड़ेंगे। एक तो है ट्राइंगल ABE। ओके, इन ट्राइंगल ABE by using the BPT theorem, right, by using the BPT theorem what we can say is, अगर ये वाला जो लाइन है, if the line joining two points is parallel to the third side, then we can say the sides are in proportion, right, the ratios of side are in proportion। so In triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE, right? DF is parallel to AE. So हम क्या लिख सकते हैं यहां से? AD, sorry, BD upon AD equals to BF upon FE. Let this be my first equation. Now I will consider another triangle. In triangle ABC, बड़ा वाला ABC. Okay, so again by same BPT theorem, यहाँ पे हमें मेंशन करना पड़ेगा by BPT theorem. I hope आप मेंशन कर दोगे. Okay, so in triangle ABC, by using the BPT theorem, हम क्या करेंगे? DE is parallel to AC, right? So DE is parallel to AC. So therefore again by BPT theorem, क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? BD upon AD equals to BE upon EC आएगा. Let this be my second equation. अगर आप ठीक से देखोगे इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन 2 को, तो LHS जो है हमारा, one side of the equation is same, right? If one side of the equation is same, we can equate the other side. So therefore from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we can write BF upon FE equals to BE upon EC. That's it. और यही हमें प्रूव करना था, hence proved. Let's go to the next question. This was the 25th question. From section B. So with that said, we have completed the section B, that was for 2 marks. Now we need to head for the section C, which is of 3 marks.